Michael's Beer Reviews. I just reviewed it. My camera was screwing up, saw Belching Beaver Milk Stout Peanut Butter. And at first, this guy from Total Wines told me to try it out, so I did. You know, I wasn't expecting much. Peanut butter beer, you know what, it was excellent. I'd give it an A. It had a stout taste. It was black. Again, I'm doing this because my camera screwed up. But this is excellent. Belching Beaver Brewery. Established in 2012. So, milk stout. Had that chocolate, coffee, toffee flavor, and the mouthfeel was perfect. It was watered down. Didn't have a lot of alcohol. It's 5%, but it was good. I like a little less alcohol. I don't like that burning sensation. But an A, I give it a 93. And I had a lot of stouts, even better. I would take this Guinness Extra Stout, which is my favorite. I'd buy this again for sure. Belching Beaver Peanut Butter Milk Stout. Again, I'd give it a 93 A. Let me know if you ever have a peanut butter stout. Let me know. I was expecting a peanut butter taste. I was expecting like the artificial, some peanut butter, like some artificial peanut butter flavor. But it had a peanut butter flavor with the chocolate, with the caramel, with the toffee, coffee taste to it. The toasted, barley malt. It was excellent, man. Thanks a lot for the guy at Total Wine and More, the manager. That was a good suggestion. Let me know if you ever had a peanut butter or a milk. Is that milk stout? Let me know. Let me know if you like it. And as again, it's established in 2002, Belching Beaver Brewery. I think it's in Vista, California, and it's a good job. Belching Beaver with the beaver on it. And enough said, man. Excellent beer, an excellent stout. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comments, questions. I'll see you later.